Good morning, everyone. Shay from Metal Marauders, and today we've got a barn, so no rain. We've got a Max Air Fan Deluxe. We've got a broken surround, and we've got a Sky Max Plus roof light, which we'll be installing. So I thought, you know what? Originally, I wasn't going to do a build video. I thought, you know, bugger it. We'll go for it, eh? Pull them in. So yeah, what we'll do, we'll take you along with us and show you how we do it. Take it from there. Do it. And by the way, when you're using a grinder, please use safety glasses, not like me. Okay, so we've measured 20 times to cut once. No going back from here, guys.
And I feel sick as a pig.
Oh, chill out, Beauty. Beauty. So basically, we're fitting the Max Air fan and the what's this one called? Max Air roof light. So what we've done, we've cut the hole. We did film it, but we were a bit unsure on the first one, so we're just basically going to do this as the
we're feeling a bit more confident now. We've done
so
that we can do the second one. We're not quite as nervous.
Yeah. So we've cut the hole. We've given it a good filing down. And we've also put a coat of hammerite paint on, just obviously protect them edges from rusting. We've also hoovered up all the metal filings, because obviously if they were on the roof, this shroud here is basically for when the roof light sits in and you put your shroud on, you screw up through this timber and it gives it something solid to grip to. So yeah, that's that basically. That's what we've done so far. So we're now just waiting for this to dry. Once that's dry, we'll be able to actually physically fit the fan. Moving on to the Max Air fan itself. As you can see, we've now marked to the roof. And what we'll do is just drill a hole in each corner. There, and then I'll pop up onto the roof. And obviously we'll join the dots basically, so we've got the square, and then we'll be able to cut that one out.
So we've had it there, haven't we? Because we can't do it in the one further along.
No, because of the shower.
Then the shower comes across, so it's going to look absolutely awful.
Yeah,
so we've gone through
look terrible.
So now you can drill the holes.
So yeah, we get these holes drilled, and yeah, let's see how we. One hole.
Two holes.
Two holes.
Okay, so we've masked sealed all around the bottom.
So we put this beautiful tape in so it's nice and level. On there.
Well, I did.
Yeah. And now
put that in the right way round.
It is the right way round.
It is the right way round. I've made.
Okay.
Is that in? No, it's not in.
God, this stuff sticks like shit. It is.
It's not in this end. It's not in this end. That's it. Now it's in. Is it in that end?
Yeah.
Now push it down.
That's it.
No, push it down these corners, not...
That'll be pulled down with the screws. Look. Need to push it down with the screws. Okay, that's it. One side and screw it up. So now what you're doing, Linz?
I am cleaning it up regularly. And then doing a wonderful job of painting. Albeit it's only a tiny bit. But...
Yeah, so basically Lindsay's cleaning this now with some white spirit. Just so we've got no dirt and crap on there when we do the glue in and whatnot.
Put the mastic on.
And put the mastic on. And then Lindsay's going to give the edges a coat of Amorite to stop them rusting.
Yeah.
It's about the only time she does any work. Because I don't do painting. I hate painting with a passion. I'll do anything else, but I don't do painting.
I love painting.
Yeah, so that's that bit then. I'll bring you back. Good morning. It's the morning after the day before.
Yes,
and
as very stressed.
So as you seen,
that's why we didn't film a lot.
So yesterday we fitted both the fans, and the plan was to fit both the windows. We got both the fans in, but the fans were more a pain in the arse than we expected.
As always.
And then by the time I got to fit in the window, I was very, very, very stressed.
He was vile.
So I didn't film.
And
you didn't want to see me like that.
I didn't film it because he was awful. I think we nearly got divorced.
I don't know how this video is going to turn out because I've got to edit it. I've got to edit the F words out and edit all sorts of different stuff. But it gives you an overview of how we did it. So yeah, but bearing in mind it was the first time we did it ourselves.
Yeah, we've not done anything like this, and it was very stressful cutting holes in your van.
I'm very good with wood and electrics even and plumbing, anything like that. I don't do vehicles and I don't do metal. So I was very much out of my comfort zone yesterday, so I apologise for that. But you see, eventually, go on Lynch, we did get them both in. So that's the, what's that called, Lindsay?
SkyMax roof light.
SkyMax roof light. That is a, what's it called?
Max Air Fan.
Max Air Fan. And guess what?
We have one window in! Yay!
Ta-da!
But we didn't. Home and has a window.
We didn't quite get that far though.
We didn't fancy doing that one.
No. And as you can see, we've had it decorated by my granddaughter, who seems fit to draw pictures everywhere.
You've got like Egyptian hieroglyphics.
Yeah.
On there.
Yeah, 5-year-old style. And she's still here now, but we're not going to put her on video.
Her on the film because we don't.
You can say hello though. Say hi, Evie. So yeah, so that's what we've done. And just to give you a quick demonstration, I'll swap it round. There you go. Now you can film me, Lindsay. And what I'm going to do.
Okay.
We just put a temporary connection to the fan so we can demo it.
Turn it on.
Let's move that wire. Turn it on with a remote. And nothing seems to be happening.
Yeah, because you have to turn it on.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
So the door's opening now. So that at the moment is on extraction. We ain't figured this out yet quite. And then if we press that button, that'll put us on air in. So obviously that'll cool us down or warm us up or whatever in the summer, winter.
Yeah, because that is what's
And then
cold.
press it off. And that's that. So yeah, well pleased.
It's all good.
So hope the video's alright, I'll turn that okay. Next week we will be doing the other window. We was going to do it today, but we had such a stressful day yesterday, we were just like, nah, day off. So, but next week we'll be fitting the other window, and also I'm going to start insulating the floor, sound deadening. So yeah, we'll do that.
We're filming near the window now. We've done.
Yeah, well, now we've figured out how to do the window properly. Without the stress, we'll film it. Actually, I'll be honest with you, it was quite a straightforward process. In all honesty, it was easy in the end, but it was just the nerves of having to cut a hole in the van and me destroying my van. Yeah, it was not good. So yeah, I'll bring you back. I just thought I'd show you the lights on this cool little thing, because this is the Sky. What was it called?
Roof lights. Skybox roof lights.
Yeah, and what's great about it, bring it in closer, Linz, is that obviously the roof light opens, the canopy opens.
You have to push the button in. Push the button in.
I am. That opens. And also you've got that, which is the fly mesh. Or is that, no, that's the blackout, isn't it?
No, that's the fly mesh.
That's fly mesh.
This blackout's rubbish.
And that's the blackout. So yeah, it's a cool bit of kit. So like I said, we'll bring you back next week. Hopefully this video's turned out alright. But yeah, we'll be back fitting the windows next week. Midweek.
Yay.
It's quite busy for me now my season's started. I'll try and get some sort of video out Wednesday as normal, but if not, you know why. But see you later.
Bye.
Keep it real.